Hello, this is Luke from Total Parts Pro. Today we're a 2013 Ford Ranger, stock number 6821. This ran from the 6/2011 to the 6/2015. There's the P4AT 2.2 litre 4-cylinder turbo diesel engine backed by a 6-speed manual transmission. This is a P4AT 2.2 litre 4-cylinder turbo diesel engine. Left front guard, no dents. Left front 16-inch steel wheel good tyre, front bonnet, left front door mirror, left front door one dent, left rear 16-inch steel wheel good tyre, right rear 16-inch steel wheel good tyre, right front door no dents, right hand door mirror, right front guard, right front 16-inch steel wheel good tyre, right front door guard, right front master switch, centre console lid, manual gear shifter, heater AC controls, factory single stack stereo, display cluster, interior mirror, front curtains light with sunglass holder, left front sun visor, right front sun visor, factory 4-spoke vinyl steering wheel, instrument cluster,